What up? It's your girl Peach here. Alright, so today I'm going to go ahead and review the Alikay Naturals line, their Lemongrass line. The two products that I have here is the leave-in conditioner along with their Hold It styling gel. So those are the two products I'm going in. But I did want to let you guys know they have a lot of products in this line. I want to say there's like a smoothie as well, but I know for sure that they have a mousse, this leave-in, the gel, but I didn't see any shampoo or conditioner. So that right there was something that seemed to be missing, at least when I looked into it. So I went ahead and used the Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo by Alikay Naturals. And also I used their Avocado Cream. Now, if you're interested in how those products work for me, I'll be sure to insert a clip either here or here so you guys can see that. All right, let's go ahead and get started in this video. Now, the Lemongrass leave-in conditioner, I want to say I was kind of worried because I was thinking, hey, this stuff comes in a bottle. This could be a problem. A, it's always kind of hard holding it up, squirting, you know, that's the first thing. And B, in general, if it comes in a spray bottle, it usually doesn't have a lot of, it's not very textured or thick. It's going to be really, really thin because, you know, it's in a bottle. But I do want to tell you, it's pretty thick considering it comes in a bottle. And the smell. Oh, the smell. Now, it says lemongrass. I don't know what lemongrass smells like, but I know this smells good. It smells just like lemons. It smells so good. And the next item here, the Hold It styling gel. Now this Hold It styling gel, this is some weird looking consistency. I'll be honest with you. You know, you guys excuse my hairs in here if you find a couple hairs or so, but yeah, it's a pretty weird consistency. It's clear and it doesn't really have a smell. It kind of smells like lemon, but I'm always thinking, hey, is that the same lemon smell I was just smelling with the other one? And maybe it's still in my nose. I don't know. It just doesn't really smell. I'm going to say it's a faint, very faint smell of lemon. And it's just such a weird consistency. I have not seen a gel with this consistency, like, ever. So that's interesting. I have used this product once before, and I'll be honest with you, it did turn out great, but like anything else, it doesn't mean it's gonna turn out great today. So hopefully it does, because I did like it when I used it the last time. So let's go ahead and get started. I like to make sure my hair is wet. It is no longer wet. I've been doing some things around the house since I've used my deep conditioner. So I'm going to go in with my handy dandy water bottle. Okay. And of course, this has warm water in it, you guys. I always say put warm water in there because warm water helps to open up the cuticles. That way you can get the product in. All right. I just like to initially wet my hair all over in that section. And then as I go through the section, I'll fine tune it and add more water to each section. Now, I'll probably take about an inch here. Oops. And not dropping my water would be good here. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this leave-in. And I kind of shake it up because I want to make sure that all the thick goodness here is going to go on my hair and not the bottom of the bottle. So I will say I don't love spraying it on, but you know, that's how they packaged it, so I'll go with it. But I might later, if I really enjoy it, I might put it in like a bottle where I can just squeeze it out into my hand because it just seemed like it'll be easier. So I also like to go in with my Denman brush because my Denman brush helps me to smooth things out. I detangled with my deep conditioner, but you know, tangles don't like to stay away. So alright, so I'm getting a little something there. And typically I just go and do my whole head. I don't usually put the leave-in and then go back in the shower, you know, or do all that in the shower. I don't. But it is recommended because of the whole hot water thing with the steam and whatnot. But you know, I've been in the shower for a long time sometime already. And I'm just tired. That's just truth. Okay, so if you don't have a lot of hair, you feel like doing that, do it. I'm sure it makes the difference. I've done it once or twice before, but you know, in general, hey, the water bill is gonna be high. Me and my hair. Alright, so I'm going in with the gel, you guys. I wanted to show you about how much I was using, but I've added a little bit more. I'll start off with about that much. And I'm just going down the hair. And I'm kind of raking and smoothing at the same time. Rake and smooth. And I feel like it's clumping. I feel like it's clumping my hair together. So that's good. I just don't know if I like it. I'm gonna tell you guys, it feels really, really weird. Not just look weird, not just look like that custard. I don't know what that is, but it looks weird. But I'm gonna say it is. It feel weird, look weird, but it look like it's working. So, you know, what can I say? All right, let's keep going. Just want to see if there's any differences as I go through. Right now it looks like it's feeling the same, but we're gonna see. Let me add the leave-in here. Now, if your hair hasn't been detangled, I do not, I'm telling you again, do not recommend doing it with the Denman brush. Okay, if you have hair that's like mine and it's pretty thick, don't do that. Don't do that to yourself because you will rip your hair out. I know a lot of people use the Denman brush as a detangler. I really don't. I kind of use it as a smoother. And I kind of use it more for clumping my curls together and giving me a little flip curl at the end. That's what I use it for. Because if I use it as a detangler, it's going to rip my hair out. And that's just the truth. So. But I'm thinking about doing a video on detanglers. At least like the tools that I've used. And what I've found myself to, you know, to like. Okay, yeah, just go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. I know a lot of people put out these videos about what detanglers that they use and why they use them and they're so awesome and that kind of thing. But I mean, I feel like the detanglers that I have, I've used them all at one point, and I kind of have like my certain hairstyles that I do that on, or certain times when my hair is not cooperating, I might need to use a different tool, you know, to make it do what I want it to do. So just, you know, comment down below. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in, because I'm trying to look out for the people who, you know, maybe you haven't seen anybody with my type of hair. Because I got a lot of it. So I know that there's other people out there in this world who have so much hair that a lot of these tools that people are showing you are not necessarily working for you. So just let me know. All right. Now, it looks like this is pretty much gonna be the same. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with this process. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this video, okay? And you guys can go ahead and listen to some music. All right, so I'm over this pumping. So I'm just gonna pump it in my hand and see how that works. Oh, that works so much better. I feel like it did something. It's still not as slippery as I would think it would be. As a leave-in, I would think it would have a little bit more slip to it. But it feels better on my hands when I spray it in my hands. So I'll probably do that through the rest of this video. These are my final results. And I will say it's about 85% dry. I mean, it's pretty much dry. It's just a little wet in the roots. And I said I need to dry for about 30 minutes and then the diffuser for about 15. It's nighttime. I'm tired. So I'm just going to go to bed. But I did want to go ahead and discuss with you guys, you know, the benefits of the product. So looking at the leave-in, it says here that lemongrass, the oil helps to strengthen the hair follicles, promote healthy growth, reducing hair shedding, soothe dry hair and itchy scalp, make the hair feel silky and look shiny. So that's what it's saying about the leave-in. Yeah, I mean, I would say that. I don't feel as if it's very moisturizing, but I think I'm just missing that slip. I really feel like I'm just kind of missing that slip factor, but that doesn't always mean that it's not actually working or that it's not actually absorbing. It's probably just absorbing in your hair is what I would think. The other thing is, would I use this one again? Yes, most definitely. I love the smell. I love the smell. I feel like it's going in my hair, and that's what I'm missing, like I said, with that slip, and that's why it seems weird. But I actually kind of like it. I mean, look at my results. My results came out bomb, so I'm always game for that. The other thing is, when I was looking here at this styling gel, usually in the description, Alikay Naturals will put more things in there. They do say something about second day and third day hair, spraying it with water so you can reactivate the gel, but they're not saying anything different. I mean, what I read here is look like it's saying the same thing for the leave-in. It looks like it's saying pretty much the exact same thing for the leave-in. Yeah. The leave-in says it locks in moisture, strengthens and condition the hair with essential oils, aloe vera, silk, amino protein. And they call it liquid gold. Okay, so like I said, for me, I like the products. I really do. I like my results. If a product doesn't feel the same on my hair as another product, that doesn't mean that it's bad. That just means it doesn't feel the same. Each product's different and it's going to react differently to your hair, that type of thing. But the main thing is, did I get some good results? So I feel like I got good results. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, I like the line. And will I purchase it again? Yes, I will. I'm gonna look into, they have an edge control, and they also have the mousse and the oil. So I'll probably do the oil. I don't know if I'm gonna do the mousse, just because mousse it just sounds like it's going to be too lightweight. My hair is just a lot of hair and it'll be too light for it. But the edge control, I'm thinking about it because I did go in and do my edges. I just took a small brush and just went in and kind of did my edges. And I feel like this styling gel laid my edges down. So if they lay my edges down, I might want to try the edge control just to see if that's going to be any different or how that one actually works. But I am truly impressed. Like I said, I did my hair. This is the second time I've done my hair with this product and it came out the same. I am impressed. It's a very weird looking gel, but weird works. So, alright you guys, thanks for watching. Shout out to my stepdaughter Leah. She told me about the lemongrass leave-in about 2 years ago, and better late than never. Thanks for watching. Bye.